The American Stratfor Institute, a leading provider of geopolitical predictions, has released an analysis on the recent development in Algeria. After President Abdelmadjid Tebboune came to power 3 years ago, Algeria has shifted its focus to foreign policy and international communication. Despite its continued reliance on hydrocarbons energy resources, Algeria has been able to modernize its economy and establish political stability and economic strength. The Algerian Ministry of Foreign Affairs has made several moves in recent years to participate more actively in North African and global affairs. In 2022, Algeria hosted the Arab Summit, strengthening its relationship with Arab regimes. The country also held bilateral meetings with Tunisia and hosted talks with Palestinian factions and Libya regarding the export of electricity. After years of isolation and mistrust in the West, Algeria has re-emerged on the international stage, expressing its desire to join the BRICS group. The demand for Algerian gas as an alternative to Russian gas in Europe has given a strong boost to the Algerian economy in 2022. The Algerian government has used its energy revenue to provide benefits and subsidies to its people, reducing the occurrence of protests related to the economic situation. This is all a result of Algeria's focus on foreign policy and its ability to establish political stability and economic strength.